Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to AIMS tutorial for accounts. In this video, I will be explaining the chapter Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations under Unit 3, Chapter 3 for Intermediate Second Year Students for Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Let us discuss practical problems. Page number 124, question number 2. From the following details, prepare receipts and payments account of Officers Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. सो ये किसका प्रॉब्लम है? ये ऑफिसर्स क्लब वालों का प्रॉब्लम है और ये 31 मार्च 2020 के लिए रिसिप्ट्स एंड पेमेंट्स बनाना है. ओपनिंग कैश इन हैंड 1400 इज गिवन. ओपनिंग कैश एट बैंक 3400 इज गिवन. सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड 25,000. डोनेशंस कलेक्टेड 7,000. हॉनरेरियम पेड 6,000. रेंट पेड 3,000. टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस 1,000. शेयर्स परचेज 5,000. एंट्रेंस फीस रिसीव्ड 2,600. पेड फॉर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन 1,500. Electricity charges 500, repairs and maintenance 400, stationery 500, postage 1000, dinner expenses 1500, cash in hand at the end 4000 is given. Now we are required to prepare receipts and payments account of Officers Club. Here is the solution and the heading is Receipts and Payments Account of Officers Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. And the format for receipts and payments account is receipts amount rupees, payments amount rupees. Towards extreme left will be writing DR debit, towards extreme right will be writing CR credit. How do we prepare receipts and payments account? पैसे आ रहे तो receipts में लिखना है, पैसे जा रहे तो payments में लिखना है. If cash is coming, it should be recorded on receipt sides. If cash is going, it should be recorded on payment side. So first we are given with opening cash in hand 1,400, opening cash at bank 3,400. Always opening balance will be recorded as to balance brought down. So here it will be recorded as to balance brought down. Cash in hand we have 1,400, cash at bank we have 3,400. Next, it is given as subscriptions received 25,000. Subscriptions received का मतलब पैसे आ रहे. So if cash is coming, it should be recorded on receipt side as two subscriptions 25,000. तो इस तरफ बताएंगे आप two subscriptions received 25,000. Next, after subscriptions we have donations collected 7,000. Donations collected में भी organization officers club वालों को पैसे आ रहे. So as cash is coming, it will be shown as receipt as two donations collected 7,000 rupees. Two donations collected 7,000 rupees. After donations collected, we have honorarium paid 6,000 rupees. Honorarium paid में क्या हो रहा? पैसे जा रहे. So as cash is going, it will be shown on payment side as by honorarium 6,000 rupees. Next, after honorarium paid, we have rent paid 3,000 rupees. So rent paid में क्या हो रहा? क्या आप किराया rent pay कर रहे. So again cash is going. So this will be shown as payment. Here it will be shown as by rent. कितना पे कर रहे आप? 3,000 rupees. Next, after rent paid we have tournament expenses 1,000 rupees. So for tournament we are paying 1,000 rupees as expenses. So it is a payment. So this will be shown on payment side as by tournament expenses 1,000 rupees. Next, after tournament expenses we have shares purchase 5,000 rupees. जब आप शेयर खरीद रहे तो आपको उसके पैसे देना पड़ता. So again it is a payment. So this will be shown on payment side as by shares purchased 5,000 rupees. So by shares purchased 5,000 rupees. After shares purchased we have entrance fee received 2,600. So entrance fee received का मतलब entrance fees के लिए 2,600 rupees आ रहे. So this will be shown as received to entrance fees received 2,600. Next, after entrance fee received we have paid for internet connection 1,500. So internet connection के लिए आप 1,500 पे कर रहे. So it is a payment. This will be shown on payment side as by internet connection. By internet connection 1,500. After internet connection we have electricity charges 500. So electricity charges कितना पे कर रहे आप? 500 rupees पे कर रहे. So again it is a payment. This will be shown on payment side as by electricity charges 500 rupees. After electricity charges we have repairs and maintenance 400 rupees. So repairs और maintenance के लिए कितना पैसा पे कर रहे? 400 rupees पे कर रहे. So again it is a payment. This will be shown on payment side as by repairs and maintenance 400 rupees. Repairs and maintenance के बाद क्या है? Stationery 500 rupees. So when you are purchasing stationery, we need to pay for it. तो यहाँ पे purchase of stationery specify करा हुआ नहीं है, but it is assumed that we are paying for stationery. So stationery के लिए कितना पे कर रहे हैं आप? 500 rupees पे कर रहे हैं. So again it is a payment. This will be shown on payment side as by stationery 500 rupees. After stationery it is given as postage 1,000 rupees. So आप postage के लिए कितना खर्च कर रहे हैं? 1,000 rupees खर्च कर रहे हैं. If nothing has been specified, it is assumed as it is a payment. So this will be shown on payment side as by postage. Normally postage is an expenditure, so postage will be shown on payment side as by postage 1000 rupees. So here it is shown as by postage 1000 rupees. After postage we have dinner expenses 1500. So dinner expenses के लिए आप कितना पे करें, 1500 पे करें. So again it is a payment. This will be shown on payment side as by dinner expenses 1500 rupees. After dinner expenses we have cash in hand at the end 4000 rupees. So this is a closing balance and this will be shown as by balance carried down. As opening balance was represented as to balance brought down, closing balance will be represented as by balance carried down. Opening balance किस किसका दिया हुआ था, cash in hand, cash at bank, but closing balance question में किसका दिया हुआ है, सिर्फ cash in hand का दिया हुआ है. In this problem opening balance of cash in hand is given as well as opening balance of cash at bank is given, whereas closing balance is given only for cash in hand. So the opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank was shown as to balance brought down, cash in hand 1400, cash at bank 3400, whereas closing balance of cash in hand will be shown as by balance carried down, cash in hand 4000 rupees. Now we are required to find the value of closing balance of cash at bank. How do we find the value of closing balance of cash at bank? First we'll be doing the total on receipt side, then we'll be doing the total on payment side, and then we'll be subtracting the total payments from total receipts. And while solving the problem for receipts and payments account, always remember that the total on receipt side will be more than the total on payment side, because one cannot spend more than what he has received. एक इंसान खुद जितना पैसा रिसीव करते उससे ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च नहीं कर सकते. तो जब कभी भी आप रिसीप्ट्स एंड पेमेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, रिसीप्ट साइड का टोटल ज़्यादा आएगा, पेमेंट साइड का टोटल कम आएगा. लेट अस चेक. And the first we'll be doing the total on receipt side. Here the total is 3000 plus 1000 4000, 4000 plus 25000 29000, plus 7000 36000, plus 2000 38000, plus 1000 39000, plus 400 39400. The total on receipt side is 39400, whereas the total on payment side is 6000 plus 3000 9000, plus 1000 10000, plus 5000 15000, plus 1000 16000, plus 1000 17000, plus 900 17900, plus 1000 18900, plus 1000 19900, 20400, 24400. The total on credit payment side is 24400, whereas here the total was 25 20 28 29 29 30 36 37 38 39400. तो दोनों में कौन सा टोटल ज़्यादा है, 39400 ज़्यादा है. सो 39400 will be recorded on both the sides, 39400 39400. अब ये 39400 में से क्या करेंगे आप, 24400 जो पेमेंट्स का टोटल है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग हियर फर्स्ट द टोटल ऑफ रिसिप्ट्स, द टोटल ऑन रिसिप्ट साइड वाज 39400. तो रिसिप्ट्स का टोटल क्या था, 39400 था. पेमेंट्स का टोटल क्या है, 24400. So 400 minus 400 it becomes 0, 9 minus 4 it is 5, 3 minus 2 it will be 1. So the answer is 15,000 rupees. तो अब अपने को कितने पैसे कम पड़ रहे हैं, 15,000 का शॉर्टेज है. किधर है शॉर्टेज, 15,000 का जो शॉर्टेज है वो पेमेंट साइड है. सो दैट विल बी शोन एज क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश एज 15,000. So how we got this 15,000? We have subtracted total payments from total receipts. Total payments was 24,400, whereas total receipts were 39,400. So subtracting 24,400 from 39,400, the answer is 15,000. Hope you have understood the topic and hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel AIMS Tutorial for Accounts. And if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Do like my video, post your valuable comments, and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. See you all in next video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.